The Clarke JET 8000 high-performance pressure washer is ideal for DIY and trade use on a wide variety of outdoor cleaning tasks. Featuring a powerful 2,400 watt induction motor, the JET 8000 produces an impressive flow rate of up to 6.66 litres per minute at a pressure of 180 bar or 2,610 psi. It's ideal for vehicles, patios, stonework, cladding, fascias, boats, caravans and more. Blast away ground in dirt from patios and pathways, remove algae from cladding, or clean vehicles to a valet-grade finish. The JET 8000 is wheel-mounted with a telescopic handle for easy maneuverability and weighs less than 19 kilos. Complete with 5.6 meters of high-pressure hose mounted on a convenient integral reel for tidy storage, and a tough metal lance, the JET 8000 is ready to go straight out of the box. It even has a half-liter integral detergent tank for extra cleaning power. The JET 8000 is also compatible with a range of Clarke pressure washer accessories, manufactured specifically to tackle various cleaning tasks. The Clarke patio and decking cleaner with integral detergent tank is a useful addition. It is great for cleaning patios, decking, walls and fences without the usual overspray and associated mess. With its high-pressure lance with adjustable nozzle from pencil jet to fan jet, the JET 8000 is a truly versatile machine, perfect for any exterior cleaning job.